Welcome guys, welcome to our live show. Welcome guys to our live show. Do you have any questions? Welcome. Welcome guys, if you have any question or if you are interested in equipment for extracting edible oil, you can enter our live show and I can introduce for you. Today our topic is palm oil and palm kernel oil extracting production line. I will introduce different scale palm oil and palm kernel oil production line. You can enter our live show and follow us to learn about these skills production line. Now, this is 3D video is free installation palm oil production line. Welcome guys to our live show. We are doing holdings. Our company produce equipment for extracting edible oil such as palm oil, palm kernel oil, soybean oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, and so on. Many kinds of edible oil extracting production line and serving machine we can provide for you. And our company has its own factory and engineering team. We can support specialized customization for you. Welcome guys to our live show. Guys, we are doing holdings. We can support equipment for extracting edible oil. Now, this video is free installation palm oil production line. Its capacity is 1 ton per hour. Except this, we have 1 to 2 tons per hour palm oil production line and 5 tons palm oil production line. We can use 3D video help you to learn about it. If you have any question or if you need palm oil and palm kernel oil production line, we can support production line and serving machine for you. If you have any question, you can type them on comment area. I can reply it for you, and my assistant can answer you later. Okay, let's use this 3D video to see the free installation production line process. The palm oil production line is divided several steps: sterilization, threshing, digesting, pressing, and clarification. The last one is vacuum drying. And in this video, we will show the entire process for you. Next, I will use different skills production line video to show our equipment and the process. The first step is sterilization. The fruit bunches should be unloaded in the fruit cage. 4 fruit cages can put into each sterilizer. In this fruit installation palm oil production line, we always use the iron sheet sterilizer. This free installation palm oil production line is include 3 containers. Those 3 containers can transport entire machine of the palm oil production line. After sterilization, the client lifts fruit cage, and then the palm fruit bunches can fall into the thresher. This thresher is a drum-type palm fruit thresher. It is so long, so the palm fruit can be remove palm fruit thoroughly. And after threshing, the palm fruit fall down to the conveyor. Then the palm fruit transport to the digester. In this digester, the palm fruit structure is destroyed. Then falls down to the presser. In production line, we always use the double screw palm oil presser. This the double screw palm oil presser has high yield and high degree of advantage. And this double screw palm oil presser suitable for production line. We also have other palm oil presser. It is a single screw palm oil presser, but it needs the worker to control, and its capacity just 300 kilogram per hour to 500 kilogram per hour. With double screw palm oil presser, capacity is more than 1 to 2 tons per hour. After pressing, the crude palm oil is discharged, but there has many impurities in the crude palm oil, such as peel, kernel fiber, and mud. So next, we set 3 machines for clarification steps. First machine is this is a clarification tank. You can see the crude palm oil flows into from the middle and lower part, and then in the clarification, the crude oil will be settled. After settling, the impurities will fall down to the bottom of the clarification. So the lower part is dirty oil and the upper part is clean oil. Our engineer designed an overflow device in the upper part, so the clean oil will be always taken. Welcome, guys. If you have any question or if you are interested in our equipment, you can enter our lab show, and I will introduce for you. Today our topic is introduction to palm oil and palm kernel oil production line. I will introduce how to extracting palm oil and palm kernel oil. The second clarification machine is this vibrating screen. There has 2 layers, and it can remove small impurities. And then the cleaner crude palm oil will flow down to the box and then pumped to the plate filter. In the plate filter, there has many plate screen. The impurities will live in the plate close by squeezing. After clarification and filter, the crude palm oil will be cleansed, and then the crude oil will be pumped to the vacuum dryer to remove internal moisture. In the vacuum dryer, the crude palm oil will be boiled. Will be heated to boil, and then the water vapor will go up to pipeline and then become liquid for collect. After product, the impurity on plate filter will be removed. Welcome guys to our live show. If you have any questions, you can type them on comment area. Wait a minute. Welcome. And if you need our free if you need a free quotation or free configuration plan, you can find our contact information in comment area. Thanks for your support. We can support machine. We're not selling the oil. We just support machine. Do you need a machine? We can support the entire process machine for you to extracting palm oil, palm kernel oil, or other edible oil, such as peanut oil, coconut oil, rapeseed oil, and sunflower oil, and so on. Many kinds of vegetable edible oil equipment we can provide for you. Today our topic is palm oil and palm kernel oil production line. This video is showing 1 ton per hour free installation palm oil production line. In this production line equipment just need 3 containers can transport entire equipment. And okay. Thanks for your support. And you also can follow us. Thanks. You also can in our live show to learn about it. Okay, this is 1 ton per hour free quotation palm oil production line. Okay, next let's see the 5 tons per hour palm oil production line. The production line capacity is bigger, and the equipment automatic will be better. Okay, guys. If you have any question, you can type them on comment area. And if you need the palm oil or palm kernel oil production line for quotation or configuration plan and so on, you can You can find our contact information on comment area. You can send a private message for us. Our assistant can reply for you. Thanks for you. Thanks. Oh, if you family or other people need the extracting edible oil machine, you can wait. You can advertise our company. We are doing holdings. We have network, and you can search for our company. Okay, now let's use this 3D video to save 5 tons per hour palm oil production line. In this production line, we use conveyor to transport free palm fruit bunches. The first step is sterilization. We use more than 5 tons per hour production line. In sterilization, we always use this no food cage sterilizer. In this sterilizer, you always use direct steam to heat FFB. Its sterilization time is less, just need 60 minutes to 90 minutes. After sterilization, the palm fruit bunches goes down to the inclined palm fruit bunches conveyor. Send to next step, threshing. This is a drum type palm fruit threshing. This thresher is 2.5 meters. It is so long, so the palm fruit will be removed cleaner in this thresher. After threshing, the palm fruit will fall down to the conveyor, and empty palm fruit bunches will fall down from the till. The palm fruit will be transported to the digester. This is a vertical digester. Because of its structure, the palm fruit will stay inside longer time. And in the digester, there has steering knife and heat coil. The palm fruit will be heating again inside. And in the digester, the structure of palm fruit will be destroyed. During digesting, the palm fruit will flow out some crude palm oil. So our engineer designed a oil collection tank is this in the pipeline below. After digesting the palm fruit, direct falls down to the double screw palm oil presser. This is a double screw palm oil presser. In production line, you always use the double screw palm oil presser because you can see there has two screws. They can move relative to each other, and the oil will be discharged. Oil yield is higher, and it don't need worker to control internal pressure. There has a hydraulic pump station and a reducer at the tail, so it has high degree of automatic. Except this double screw palm oil presser, we have a single screw palm oil presser, but that need the worker to control, and its capacity only 300 to 500 kilogram per hour. This double screw palm oil presser capacity is more than 1 to 2 tons per hour. If you need a single machine or production line machine, our sales manager can equip equipment according to your need. As if you need frequentation or configuration plan or selection guide, you can find our contact information in comment area. There has our WhatsApp number, WeChat number, and mobile number. You can send a private message for us or give us a call. Our assistant can reply it for you later. And these services is free. All is free, so don't worry. And after pricing, the crude palm oil is be discharged, but there has many impurities. So next we set 3 machines to remove internal moisture. The first machine is this. This is a clarification tank. The crude palm oil flow into from the middle and lower part, and then settle inside. After settling, the impurities will be settled to the bottom of the tank. So the lower part is dirty oil and the upper part is clean oil. This is the overflow device. The clean oil will overflow to the pipeline. The next machine is this. This is a vibrating screen. That has 2 layers, and the impurities will live in the layers through twisting, and the crude oil will leak to the last layer. By twisting, the impurities will go out to the conveyor. The conveyor can transport the impurities back to presser to press again, increase the oil yield. The last filter machine in this is a plate filter. there has many plate screen, and the filter close is on the plate screen. The impurities will leave on the filter close by squeezing. Last step is vacuum drying. The crude palm oil will be pumped to the vacuum dryer, and the crude palm oil will be heated to boil. After boiling, the water vapor will go on to the oil water splitter. And after cooling water, through cooling water, the water vapor will become liquid by collect. Welcome guys to our web show. Guys, if you have any question, you can type them on comment area, and our company can support to can give you free quotation or configuration plan. Our company mainly produce equipment for extracting edible oil. Today our topic is palm oil and palm kernel oil production line. I'm using this video to show different skills palm oil production line. So if you need or if you're interested in palm oil or palm kernel oil pricing process or machine, you can enter our live show. And if you have any question, you can type them on comment area. In comment area, there has our contact information. Okay, next let's see the palm kernel oil production line. After palm oil pricing, we can get a mixture of fiber and palm kernel. So in the palm kernel oil production line, first step is spread fiber and palm nut. This is fiber and nut splitter. Guys, if you are interested in our equipment, you can follow us. And after splitting, we can get pure palm kernel nuts, and then the palm kernel nuts are put in hopper. The palm kernel nuts will be transported to kernel and shell splitter system. The first machine is this. This is a nut grinding machine. That has a different diameter, size, sieve. After splitting After spread palm kernel nut, the palm kernel nut will enter the cracker. Remove palm kernel nut shell. Welcome, guys. This is shell, palm kernel, and shell splitter. We will use wind to split shell and kernel. After cracking, the mixture of kernel and shell will be transferred to the split plume. In this plume, the kernel is heavier, so it will fall down, and then the shell will go on to the cyclone. This system may have capacity 2 to 3 tons per hour and 4 to 6 tons per hour. If you want to invest palm kernel oil production line, we can support customization and according to your need, according to your capacity, to equip equipment for you. And after splitting, we get pure palm kernel. And next, we will pre-treatment for palm kernel, because the palm kernel is bigger, have bigger size, so the first pre-treatment step is crushing. In this crusher, the palm kernel will be divided for 4 to 6 parts. And then the palm kernel will be transferred to the cooker. In the cooker, we will use high temperature and add some water to adjust the palm kernel internal moisture content and temperature. Welcome, guys, to our live show. Now I'm introducing the palm kernel oil production line. This is the entire production line. After this product process, we can get crude palm kernel oil. And after pre-treatment step, the palm kernel will be transported to the specific palm kernel oil expeller. After pressing, the palm kernel oil will be discharged. The last step, the palm kernel oil be pumped to the plate filter. In this plate filter, the small impurities will be removed. Then we can get cleaner crude palm kernel oil. Do you have any questions? Today our topic is introduction to palm oil and palm kernel oil pricing production line. If you have any question, you can type them on comment area. And if you need equipment for extracting edible oil, our company can give you entire process machine for you. We have different screen palm oil production line. The small scale capacity is 1 to 5 tons per hour, and the medium and big scale capacity is 10 to 120 tons per hour. This production line is 1 ton per hour palm oil production line. This production line machine just need 3 containers can be destroyed. To the factory area. Okay guys, if you have any question, you can type them on comment area, and then I will use a picture to introduce the feature of our equipment. And in palm oil production line, we have 2 kinds of palm oil presser. The first type is single screw palm oil presser. It's like this. The single screw palm oil presser capacity is 300 to 500 kilogram per hour, and it has two kinds of power system. It is diesel engine and motor system. You can choose it according to your need. And the single screw palm oil presser internal pressure need the worker to control. So it automatic degree is lower than the other palm oil presser. It's suitable for home use and small investor palm oil production business starter. But it don't need more investment cost, and it is easy to operate. And next, the second type is double screw palm oil presser. Price in we can give you free quotation according to your need. The different capacity has different price. Guys, if you want to get free quotation, we can arrange sales manager and send price document for you. If you need, you can find our contact information in comment area. There has our WhatsApp number, WeChat number, and mobile number. You can send a private message for us, and our assistant can reply it for you later. Okay, if you are interested in our machine, you can stay in our live show to learn about it. Okay, our assistant replied in comment area. And the second type is double screw palm oil presser. Its capacity is higher. Its capacity is more than 1 to 2 tons per hour. They have double screw, and the double screw can move relative to each other, and it can give us high oil yield. The double screw palm oil press, so internal pressure don't need worker to control. In this machine, not suitable for production line. It just can use for simple palm oil production line. And these two types of palm oil presser, we always have machine in stock. So if you need, we can transport it quickly for you. And our company has branch and warehouse in Nigeria. So if you need our machine, we can transport for you quickly. And our branch have our sales manager in there, can give you configuration plan according to your need. Okay, next, let's see the different scales palm oil production line. The first type is single palm oil production line. It includes 3 machines. The first is a thresher. Its capacity is 1 to 2 tons per hour, and it can use to remove the palm fruit from the palm fruit bunches. And it is lower cost, can give you high efficiency. The next is presser. The single screw palm oil presser and double screw palm oil presser you can choose according to your need. The single screw palm oil presser capacity is 300 to 500 kilogram per hour. And it has 2 power systems of diesel and motor. You also can choose it according to your need. It's suitable for different power conditions. And the other one, double screw palm oil presser capacity is higher. It is more than 1 to 2 tons per hour. Its oil residual rate is lower than single screw. It's suitable for production line. So if you want to have a bigger palm oil production line in the future, you can choose the double screw palm oil presser directly. The last one is a plate filter to remove internal impurity of the crude palm oil. And if you want get more complete equipment process, you can give us a follow. I will live show 1 ton's time a week. Okay, the second type is small scale palm oil production line. Its capacity is 1 to 5 tons per hour. Its machine is more complete. It includes entire process machine, sterilization, threshing, digesting, pressing, clarification, filtering, and vacuum drying machine. all of this is in this production line. We can equip our equipment for you, and the quality of crude palm oil will higher, will better, can give you high return, high oil yield. And this small-scale palm oil presser, we can desire all automatic process. We can equip PLC intelligent system for you, decrease labor cost, and give you better crude palm oil. Welcome, guys. Now introduce our palm oil production line. We have different scale palm oil production line, and if you need palm oil production, if you need free quotation or configuration plan or selection guide, our sales manager can help you to set your production line according to need. If you need, you can enter our web show to learn our equipment and find our contact information in comment area. There has our WhatsApp number, WeChat number, and mobile number. Our assistant can reply for you later. And third type is medium and large scale palm oil production line. Its capacity is more than 10 tons per hour to 120 tons per hour. We can provide the big scale palm oil production line equipment for you. And in this production line, its process is more at the kernel recovery station. Its advantage is give you high profits, and the entire process we can use PLC automation control. Don't need more worker to control. Just 3 to 4 people can control entire process and decrease labor cost for you. A process is divided for this step. First is raw material reception step. The FFB, fruit palm fruit bunches, is unloaded in the raw material reception and then transport to the sterilization station through conveyor. In this sterilization step, the FFB will be heated. The purpose of makes the FFB soften and easier to remove palm fruit. After sterilization, the palm fruit bunches transport to the threshing station. There has many thresher. In the thresher, the palm fruit will be removed from the palm fruit bunches and then transported to the digesting and pressing station. First, destroy the structure of palm fruit and then force down to the presser to press internal oil. Can be storage longer time. The crude palm oil will be pumped to the oil storage tank for next stage for the refining process. And in the medium and big scale palm oil production line, we add a kernel recovery station. In this station, the fiber and kernel and palm kernel nuts will be separated, and the shell with kernel also will be separate. We can get pure palm kernel. This medium and big scale palm oil production line suitable for medium and large scale palm oil meat plant. If you need and if you want to get free quotation, you can find our contact information in comment area, and our assistant can reply it for you later. Okay. Next, after pressing process, we can get crude palm oil, and if you want to get oil product, the crude palm oil will be recovered. This is our will be through refining. This is our refining production line, our refining machine. We have batch time palm oil refining machine. Its capacity is less than 20 tons per day. And we have electric heating system and conduction oil heating system can provide for you. This is the capacity. And the second type refining machine is a semi-continuous palm oil refining machine. Its capacity is 5 to 30 tons per day. It's suitable for medium scale palm oil plant, and its automatic degree is higher than batch type. The quality of oil also better, can give you higher efficiency and better effect. The last one is fully continuous palm oil refining machine. Its capacity is more than 30 tons per day. Its entire process is automatic. Don't need more worker to control, just 3 to 4 worker. And the oil waste is lower. The quality of oil is better. Welcome guys to our live show. We are doing holdings. We can provide the entire process of extracting edible oil, such as palm oil, palm kernel oil, soybean oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, sunflower oil, and so on. So if you need equipment for extracting edible oil, you can enter our live show to learn about process and our feature of equipment. We can provide free quotation and configuration plan or selection guide for you. If you need these services, you can find our contact information in comment area. There has our WhatsApp and the mobile number. You can provide a message for us. Okay, next, let's learn about palm kernel oil production line and the press machine. This is a specific palm kernel oil presser. The capacity is 5 100 kg per hour. It is suitable for home use, small investor, or production line. Internal screw is upgrade material. It has good wear resistant, and it can control through system. Don't need worker. It is easy to operate. The next is the palm kernel and shell splitting machine. Its capacity is 2 to 3 tons per hour and 4 to 6 tons per hour. The shelling rate is more than 95%. The splashing rate also more than 95%. The next is the palm kernel oil production line. It includes the kernel and shell splitting system, cracker, cooker, and palm kernel presser. The last one is plate filter. This production line capacity is 2 to 3 tons per hour and 4 to 6 tons per hour. If you need bigger capacity palm kernel oil production line, our engineer can give you customization. Welcome, guys. Guys, if you have any question, you can type them on comment area. And if you need our contact information, you can find it from comment area. Because our live show is time on. We will end later. Welcome. Do you have any question? If you have any question, I can reply it for you. And my assistant can reply it for you either. Okay, this is our palm oil and palm kernel oil production line. And except palm oil and palm kernel oil production line, we also can provide the oil press machine, single machine, to extracting soybean oil, rapeseed oil, cottonseed oil, peanut oil, and so on. And these edible oil extracting production line we also have, such as peanut oil processing machine, soybean oil processing machine, and so on. And the entire process machine we all have. This is our company introduction. Our company is doing holdings. We can provide equipment for extracting edible oil. Many kinds of edible oil process machine we all have, pre-treatment and oil solvent extraction, refining, and dewaxing, fractionation, winterization, and fulling machine we all can provide for you. Our company is located in Henan Province, Central China. And if you need our equipment, we also welcome you visit us, and we can arrange right sales manager for you, help you to learn about our company, our factory. Welcome, guys. If you want to get free quotation or configuration plan, you can find our contact information in comment area. And if you know question, this live show will end. Let's see you next time. Bye bye.